Welcome to another video. In this video, you'll find out how you can build a content calendar with Airtable automations. If you want to create your own custom content calendar to keep yourself organized, you can use Airtable automations for it, and this is how you can do it. First of all, go on to your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for Airtable. Click on the first link. You'll be directed to the page where you'll need to sign in with Airtable. You can use your Google account, your Apple account. You can continue with a single sign-on or just add in your work email. Once you log in, it might ask you a few questions about your company. Feel free to answer it. Now you'll be directed to the main page where you can build up your own AI app. As you can see, you can prompt it to make anything that you want. Now, if you scroll down, you see the templates. Here you can see all of the templates of the product launch plan template, the marketing campaign tracking, or all the different templates on Airtable. You would also see the content calendar one. Because we're here to make the content calendar, just click on the content calendar template. And it will give you the prompt that is needed to build the perfect content calendar for you. Click on build it. As you can see in just seconds, it has created a whole content calendar for you. As you can see, it says marketing content calendar because I told Airtable prior that my company is related to marketing. This is where you can make any changes to your content calendar. You can go over to the automations tab in order to add any triggers or automations in your content calendar. In the data tab, you'll see all of the data of your content calendar, and your interfaces tab is the main tab. You can click on any date to add any records if you want to add. Click on publish from the top right and it will be published for you to use. Now you can thoroughly use this content calendar in order to keep yourself and your company organized. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.